Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of a clutter wardrobe and wanting to get organized? Well, you are in luck because today we are going to show you how to organize your wardrobe using the Panchi store wardrobe organizer. First, let's take a look at what's included in the package. We have the metal frame and the storage basket and the shelf. Now let's assemble it. Now that we have our organized assemble, let's start organizing our clothes. So we can use the storage basket to store items like socks, underwear and accessories. One of the best thing about this organizer is that it maximize storage space. We can use the shelf to store items like dresses, top and pant. So here are a few tips and tricks to keep in mind when using this organizer. First, make sure to organize your clothes by type. Second, use the storage basket to store items that you don't use frequently. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this helpful in organizing your wardrobe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more home organizing tips and tricks, guys. And if you want to purchase this product, then also link is in description box, you can check it out. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video and the love and engagement you have shown me. It truly means the world to me. I appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to watch my content, like, comment and share. Your engagement fuel my passion and motivate me to keep creating content. I want to express my gratitude for the opportunity that have comes my way because of your support from brand collaboration or partnership. I am so grateful for the trust you have me and my work. I also want to thank you for being part of my amazing community. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.